On-the-go portable water softener is one of the most popular portable softeners for RV that uses ion exchange to remove hard water minerals, so no dry skin and scale buildup. But here's the catch, it's heavy. You'll probably need two people to lift and hook it up, especially when it's full. So, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the on-the-go softener, focusing on hard water removal and ease of installation and maintenance to help you decide if it's really worth the money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. So, how does the on-the-go water softener actually work? Unlike magnetic or TAC systems that just reduce scale, this is a real water softener. It completely removes hard water minerals using ion exchange, the same process used in full-size home systems. Inside the tank is a special resin coated with sodium ions. When hard water flows through, the calcium and magnesium in hard water swap places with the sodium. The hard minerals stick to the resin, and softened water flows out. In fact, users have tested the water going from 15 grains per gallon down to 0. That's legit soft water. You'll notice immediate improvements: softer skin, better lather from soaps, no water spots, and even better tasting water. It also helps protect your appliances by preventing scale and rust buildup. Over time, the resin fills up with hard minerals, so you'll need to manually regenerate it with table salt. Just dump in salt, flush it, and you're good to go. And if your water has high sediment or chlorine, it's a good idea to install a pre-filter to protect the resin and extend its life. Now let's talk about the softening capacity. The on-the-go softener comes in two compact models. The standard model, which is 6.75 by 22 inches with an 8,000 grain capacity, and the double standard model, which is 9.5 by 22 inches, offering 16,000 grains. If you want fewer regenerations, the double standard is the way to go. Here's how to figure out how long it lasts. Take the grain capacity of your unit and divide it by your water hardness in grains per gallon. For example, if your water is at 15 GPG, the double standard model, which is 16,000 grains, would give you about 1,066 gallons of soft water before it needs regeneration. For an average RV couple using around 50 gallons per day, that translates to about 21 days of softened water before needing a regeneration. Additionally, the unit operates leak-free with no noticeable drop in water pressure, which is a huge plus for RV setups. Talking about installation. Installing the on-the-go water softener is fairly straightforward, but there are a few important steps to follow. Before using it for the first time, you'll need to flush the unit to remove any resin dust. To do this, connect the water source to the inlet, ensure the unit is standing upright, and let water run through it for about 4 to 6 minutes. Once flushed, you can connect the softener outlet to your point of use. This unit might look compact, but it weighs about 32 pounds when full, so you might need two people to move and position it safely. Next up is the maintenance. The good news is there are zero maintenance costs, just manual regeneration with salt. When the resin is saturated, you'll need to regenerate it. Just add regular table salt to the top opening, flush the system as directed, and you're back in business. If your water has a lot of iron, you can mix in a bit of iron out during regeneration to keep the resin clean and efficient. You should also backflush the system every 3 months for about 2 to 5 minutes to clear out any trapped debris. And here's the best part. If you maintain it well, the resin can last 7 to 9 years before needing replacement. Finally, let's talk about warranty and customer support. The on-the-go water softener comes with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day refund guarantee. The company's got your back with quick and helpful customer support. Whether you need advice on setup, regeneration, or troubleshooting, they're fast to respond. So, finally, is the on-the-go water softener worth it? Despite being a bit heavy, the answer is yes. It delivers softened water on demand, with a setup that's simple and a regeneration process that's budget-friendly. Whether you're living the RV life or need a compact solution for a small apartment, this unit does the job, and does it well. And for another helpful video to tackle those nasty water problems, check out this one next.